The Frank, I greet you
I
especially.
must greet you.
So may I tell you something? I will come back to it. You understand? So waiting really stop about this goal. The thing come from this your platform and this message for come now. Because now another platform I will climb because this thing already you don't this good mother don't drag me tire, drag my knee to something else. You understand? For my life, I never steal before. I never steal for my life since when I go rich like this. Something like this, if it come up like this, you go check the guy, check where for come. You understand? If this guy said they do one thing like this before, or the area, you just feel me. So before you feel accuse somebody, say somebody come inside your house, still, better do the same thing like this before. You understand?
Yeah.
So look at the things that happen. This thing just come up as in one day like that, I dey work before this time because the bad DNA test na first come up. Oh, you understand? So I can't give them the movie space because
Explain, explain, because a lot of people dey here we never really know wetin happen between you and the party Murphy. So explain everything. We'll give you the result, and they audible. They talk well. They talk loud. No, they hear you. Explain from the beginning to what you know. You understand? Agree to continue. Unmute yourself and speak, Mr. Gospel.
hello.
I will hear you now.
I greet everybody. Oh, I greet you now. So see what really happen about this good. This good matter. Don't take for ground. And the thing don't enter media. You understand? The thing don't even take. Me, I just say this thing don't still go off. By the time I say you call me today, say see Edimofi, you and Edimofi talk. Oh, see when I say okay, no shake me and the work. You know, say my work is okay. If we come back later, we talk about this. Go see you enter media around 6 o'clock. Okay, then I don't reach out to work. See this matter. See what really all stop about this good matter. Get one day like that. You understand? I see
Yeah.
my phone. I see missed call. Dimofi missed call for my phone. So I see a missed call for my phone. So I don't call back. You understand?
Yeah.
As I enter media, I can't hear it now. They say they enter a house or they steal it, go to this thing lost to understand. So me not call because I don't invest for the movie. Why they invest for the movie? Because of DNA test with the bad DNA test when they carry this one way born for me for France, carry come here, say I want to come do DNA test. I said the way the movie take judge that matter. He joined that woman. Well, the money, everything when I pay for that test, because and the woman saying no come, he never even enter Germany. I know how much I spent. Because of that one, I can't invest for it. I just give them the movie space. Leave them. You understand?
Yeah.
But one is I can't look my phone at the movie. I see me miss call at the movie. I not call back. I see they work because I invest for that issue. So he can't send me message. He said, call me. He said, very important. Yeah, one will not hear one so man. Like me, if I see miss call like that or need message, I will call you back. So I
Yes.
can't call the movie back. You know, so as I call her, he no pick. So I can't call him again. The movie can't pick. I can't say, pardon, normally respect. He say, me, I hear now, he greets me. Because me not see waiting, me not they call him, me not see waiting, they happen. I say, like, waiting, I say, they here, like, when they can't if they go, though. I say, I see her for media, they call you your phone. You know, go, they do engage, you understand? Because no, Nigeria in there. So, you know, because all in this sites, now make the line not clear. I can say, okay. He say, waiting when you tell me. I say, waiting. He say, they don't go about 11 native doctors. I be 12. They put all names. They carry names down. They bring everybody names. As everybody take they enter the house, go to
Hold
no give.
on. Hold on. Sorry. Hold on. When did the Murphy call you? The same day we call you so, and that same day now when you know the missed call, and that same day now you are still talk.
That the same day. Yes.
Then that same day now you see say it dey social media say the cry saying good loss.
Now that day he tell me no. The fact he called me that day. That the same day everything is up. So that the same day because since then because of that DNA test, I know they call the Murphy again. I don't really talk to them. That the same day when the Murphy called me, say, see waiting sub. Now that day we come, I me contact. I say, I don't see her. I see her for media. I say, you'll see your gold lost. And the name when they mention, na Mama Melissa name they mention. Because I don't see that thing for net since, but I don't call her.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know understand? I don't call her. But the day when he see my missed call, when I see him, he can't leave message. He say, call me, very important. So now I take call her back. I call her once, he not pick. Now I call him again. Now he can't pick later. I can't say, I did they call you. He say na site. He be like say na site in day. So now I make it line not go. Now I say okay. Say I see what thing they happen. Now I say what thing be that. He say he good. My mommy have a net. Me not see her from media. Say he good lost. Now I can't tell her. Me I lie. I don't agree call her. I can't say I be want call you that time. Bet your phone don't go. I be want ask you say waiting really up. Bet me I don't call. I just use that one dribble because I the paro at the best for that waiting first up. Because let me say, they go native daughter. Now I say, in carry about whether everybody, the way everybody take they enter the house, about 12 people, 12 native, I'll be 11 native daughter. Now he carry our names, our pictures go. But now me, my name, and my Melissa name, I come out. Me, I say a joke. I say, I'll be a partner, which kind of matter be. He said, no be joke. He say, me now. Now me and Mama Melissa, now the Ojuju. Now the point. Now I say me. I say me I never teach before. He say me don't. That's okay. You say now me teach you go. That's okay. I will call my mom. I explain to my mom because this is big. So let me take call my mom. Say, Mama, see what they support. The mom say they don't go native daughter. They don't take my name and people names go native daughter. Then now me and Mama Melissa now the thing they appoint here where he say who they do brother things they follow them. Oh no, when you're liyan.
Yeah.
He said, "Na so the thing." Then I say, when you're luwa, who they do brother thing they follow now. Now they say, who be that? Because they na me. Now the mom say, na power they do this kind of follow now. Because it's okay for him mother side. You know, son, my sister from who's the boo. Yeah, now when you know. Now they take points to put my name. Say na power. They can say the thing can't cash my enemy, not be me because I never steal before. So now I say, okay, no shaking. I'll call now. I take call my mom. Say, see what in my movie talk. Say if the movie say na me and Mama Melissa, when I did juju can say I wanna win. So now I also okay, me can go call it the movie making CEF for my movie. Not be waiting you just said me. I was okay. He said, I take call it the movie. He call it the movie. Say, nah, he, Mama Power, I can't say call you and the greet. You know, say, me they explain to them. Say, but in 1 year for man, waiting happen. A bad go. This is they go native doctor. They don't appoint. They say, nah, me and Mama Melissa. Oh, we not telling Liam. I can't thief them good. All those kind of things. Now my mom can't tell. I said no. Say we are not Congo. Say now they go. They don't take pictures. Go native doctor. Now me and Mama Melissa. Okay. Now my mom can't tell us say this my pikin never thief before. Now the mom can say okay. Best way never thief before. Now once they start the thief. Now my mom say okay, no problem. He can't drop phone. Since that time, the Murphy and the wife is okay. They drag my name for media saying now me and Melissa continue to go. The thing stay for net for almost 6 months. A lot of people they call me. You understand? Say the Murphy. Most of people they don't even they believe say you sure say not be this guy. They don't go to since there. They don't go swear. They don't go do anything. So the Murphy even use the mouth or it's okay. Even use the mouth talk say if you know say not be now, then I go swear put. I'm able I having. So like me now, as you see me, so they know anything where that happen to me, anything when I do, they let my mom know. So my mom gonna tell me, okay, no problem. This matter I don't dey too drag. My all relax. If we go Nigeria, I even gonna call your other brother Michael. Say Michael, see what your sister they accuse me for. Say me I go thief and all those kind of things. He say I didn't know me. I said, you know me right from time, right from Zebu. I never thief before. Why you gonna be saying that now? I want to enter them. Okay, house good. I don't know what to be good. If you person pour those neck for neck, pour all those things for neck. If you tell me say na gold, I'm not concerned because I don't be France of gold. You dey feel me? You know, because okay, no problem. Since then they drag me. Now Michael can't even call them. Say Michael tell me say he call it and say this power not be. He never see power for this kind of issue or this thief or this thing. So he know for night. He says okay. If you want the family, the one who turn out around. Say why you go this? Why you go they join her? Plus the mother, it's okay, mother. Why you go to join her? Why you go there? He say he can rest. Now Michael come tell me say Michael call me come tell me say power. Yeah, or where boy I see and if you know say you not go you not thief there or you not do the way the sister or the husband say na me go thief the gold. May you go ask, go carry juju make you swear. Michael even tell me like that. I can't say no problem because me now I can't say I can't call my mom. I can't say my I don't relax. If we go Nigeria, I can say I must go Nigeria, go swear put for this thing. As they say in Nigeria for here, you don't do the drag me. You know, say my the Murphy bring this juju come and say if I'm son not say me go because I still in love. If I say encourage juju go swear, because they tell and say why you go swear like that, swear like this, all this kind of thing. Now you go feel they blame me because I never speak before. So my mom come and say, "Mo, you relax." Because of this thing, my mom have to take off for work. That January period, I will take buy ticket. My mom say even buy ticket. You know about these things now. I will take reach Nigeria. As I reach Nigeria, I did before this thing. You know, say some this presenter they talk to matter. They know they ask issues. This Domugu come out, begin the insult, begin the power. I'm going go the don't be like say all of them don't believe. Say me read if the good because I don't go swear, I don't do anything. And my mom, anything my mom tell me, I will take. You say very relax, say relax, no worry, don't mind them, leave them. If you go Nigeria, say make you go swear, make you go do all these things. No worry, go waka. He still stay. He go as a mother, he go stay with me. He go follow me go Nigeria, go follow everywhere. I want follow all these things. So since then they go they drag my mom for net. No pictures where they not put it by my mom poster. My mom, you know they see her for net before. Now the Murphy drag my mom enter net. Nobody know my mom face before. My friend, if I ever date girl, for you to see my mom face, they hard. Ask anybody, they hard. Now the Murphy I drag my mom enter media. So as we don't go Nigeria now, I did Nigeria. My mom can say, "Man, wait, let me fair this house." He don't say, "Man, wait, man, I not do anything, man, wait for her." After the day, 2 days, I come out with my friends. That one guy, my guy, when they come Saro, he's talking, go call her. If they find me, come call that one and say, you know, he can't greet her, pardon me, all this, way take greet her. Now I can't greet her. He goes, okay. And where power, I don't say you not go tell me where power they. I don't say that your friend. Now I can't say, wait till they happen. And you want your explain to her. And power say not be eating good. Since when he did Nigeria, why you not go swear? Why you not carry juju come out, go swear? So that one can say, okay, you know, but if you see power, you go see talk to her the way you tell all this kind of thing. So as me your drive come for me your drive enter, you want to go flex for evening. I say, I love you, so he call me, say, power far. He say, so can you call her now? Say, waiting happen. He say, you don't even get a number for phone, so can call her the ask and say, ask her about me. You know, he can't tell you something. Say, he never see me, you don't know where me do. The Sarah can say, so can tell her, say, you know, say, you know, go tell, you know, go tell her where me they stay. Yeah. Why me not go swear since then when me carry juju all those things? Now there was a say me, make them relax. If I do my own, now we'll see her for media. Not be waiting they would swear or do something hide. My mom, because of my mom, I'm not saying my wait for her. You understand? So me come as my mom come down, my mom come down on that place. We can see. I was okay. Now we start the I will take call you. Enter me that's okay. You want start the juju, we swear. Because now you accuse me, don't be say you say something lost. You say now me, Mama Melissa, 90 good. So if I want to go swear, put, I they ask people questions now. I want to if somebody appoint, you just say suspect appoint now different, you know. Your wife say now power thief the good. You understand? You know say I they suspect him. We say now you. So my pictures were on your net. So if I want to go swear, put, I'm not going to call now say I want go swear put. I even tell myself I'll go swear put. As I they move around, my mom see they move around, they swear. Not be one place I go. I swear put for these things. And I believe say the thing they media. I even video around the thing they on net. You understand? The whole tape out. The way so can say I don't tip for my Zebu. I they blade all the stores. I even go tip. I don't get tip for the clean. I take pursue my mom don't tip. So I have the way so can they talk and say the way we are for steal. I pass everywhere, go to swear. If I never steal for that Zebu, if I never steal for here, I swear please. So again where I come go, not be one place I go, not be one juju place. I know you even know about this is I travel well.
Yeah.
People never even see me. The journey, they have 1 month when I spent for Nigeria. I know how much come on from my hand. You know, if you want swear for something, not be one thing that they buy, they swear. As I they swear, they put on for media, and they swear, I know they bend the swear. If I know one, no two. If I even hear whether they discuss about that goal, you understand? Made that juju when I swear. And the socket, he say, the swear with socket, still swear, say I will use my hand, bury my pikin. If I know one, nothing, if I even hear am or they discuss am, I even know where that goat pass. I no come talk come out. The way it's a contest swear, I use my hand bury all my kids, all my family.
Bro, my brother. Frank is not done. God's power down the hall, my brother.
So you say na me those things, and I don't know and not you. Now your hand now you and the move now your hand now you take bury your picking and your family out. So if you want to ask me question, if you ask me now.
No water, Bonnie, my brother, settlement when I am your team no way na mariba. Makata say where omane we I come even oya gwalo where na mo riba come na mo riba. I will come out even wire baligbesi and a boy. But right this moment, my baby, Mr. Dimofido Guansin, or my lu anything okay in Adote in Tiebo or Boagbo nine. Go where we go, but when they also when we explain who stop. A mom young guana or yametebeni. So we give a setting a body now. Amado Mwebogbo, mamma.
What why we walk up? Why we? Ebony soke you know it, you know. Everybody so can you know it when you got gele away? Me I don't bob every bed. If I want you bob every but on our okay, we my buy. If not lie, say na ain't lie against God power.
He go use
himself go use his hand bury children. Now power they try explain.
Now they explain. I say wetin is swear put. Now wetin is swear. Not beside they swear now. Now wetin is okay use the man swear. Now make me they explain. You say me I explain. You know understand? So now. No, besides,
mama be the mommy do ya tanana where to where explain it's allowed but in my can take him away I can do amwe bogbe that's it
you know yet he so can
host welcome me mommy tell no ya la we should na here that's all.
Oh Mudiana, yeah. So as those things they take place, me and my mom nowhere will not pass because of these issues. Yeah. So Domogu, he will come up for inside the issue, say me retrieve the gold. Now they put Domogu name, he will they swear for that person, that guy. You understand? So now so the thing they come up. And then before they can't even go palace. We reach palace, they for gates before they can't allow me to enter inside palace. You understand? See Wetin we come for. Na palace now everything they reach. As we cry meet them, we say we want to swear this juju palace. You understand? We want to swear because normal thing now here they say okay. They're gonna give us this when I sent to you. Can't even stamp and do everything. Say they will call Eddie Murphy. They'll reach out to them. They'll call. I got tell them say we don't stay Nigeria. Now Europe will they stay. They're gonna say as okay if now reach me, I will buy ticket. They come back, come answer. Then they come say okay. Since then we they wait. They never call us. You understand? So that's what the issue say. So that's what the team pass because this time I don't even know why now. Now in one they bring the issues again. Say settlement obviously. If they want to settle these things, settlement. You know, say best way they pull life for your head. You know what's this kind of life where they pull. If you not send a saga, they just got me. I know they take them. That thing, my kids they grow up come meet that thing. I believe say people even they point me sometimes. They'll say now that boy they say go teeth go do. Because who they never pull life for your head.
Mr. Gospower.
I want to say something, please.
Mr. Social Media President Made, Mr. Gospower.
Because I mean, I'm Idene,
Mr. Social Media President. Mr. Social Media President, Mudiane, Mr. Gospower, a social media president, Makanado Sete, or when I do umewa, no lao, no gunye gualo te godina. If not Tani had the Ote godina, I even a kaya gualo ena. So Mr. Social Media President or what kaije understand okaye obiomo ewe na gbo ya son egebe deban e mama owokun we o be me no taye me na okeke no be ade I can aka wo makan so okan yomo so host la u ka mi yomo no gun a wa to
wa first be eyi ma la gumagun mi take gbonu gumagun
I thank everybody wey dey here now do well as everybody come listen abeg I go first beg una make una the power tap abeg so that make dem not bring am down make we not start from beginning again. Exactly. I take God beg everybody. I know say all of una don't know everything where they go on concerning this gold matter. As this gold matter take start, I dey house one day. I first see am for Facebook say that they cry say their gold lost. You know, me with them not be friend like that. Now my son, where go their place, go tell them say he want bring the children mother say he want do DNA test.
Yeah.
Now I take go there. So as the DNA test come to her head, where it come be say the woman where come from France spend 2 weeks, come lie say she not come. Because the woman, the picture still there with me, everything where my son take carry the woman go at the Murphy house. Where it's okay, they do birthday. So now my son come say, now say my son, right from time, I don't first they talk to you. Now you they say, now your sister. So I don't get anything where I want to put. So from there, I then ask one day, my son just call me, say, Mommy, see what they go on, oh. Inside the Murphy miss call. Now he can't call her, he not pick. He can't call her second time, he can't pick phone. Say the Murphy can't they tell her about you hear say my gold lost. Do not call me, not do this. Say, Mommy, I not call her more. You not say about that DNA test. I don't divest. But I just tell her say I call her. Now say, okay, Wetin can happen? He say, the Murphy say they don't go native doctor. Say it's okay, mama. Now I first go the native doctor. That time the Murphy never go Nigeria. It's okay, mama don't go. Say they say nah he now I thief the gold. Now I just bust laugh. I first laugh. Now say, what do you they talk? He say, mama, now so himself there, himself is shock. When first talk, and he say nah prank. Now I say, okay, you send the Murphy number for me. Now say you just they do your work, they go. I can't call it the Murphy. I even record them. The record that I send out to Baba with the smile, still send out to the world update. Now I can't spell it. Now I say, we greet finish. He greets me, give me that respect. Mama, well, yeah, mommy, me I still greet and say, how you did? Fine. He say in the Nigeria. Now I say, I know, power don't tell me. Now I say, where did they go on? Power just call me now. He said, now so, you know, say gold lost, they can't thief his wife good. So now they say no, they must find out. They can't go native doctor. All the people where they enter their house, go reach Enogi and the wife, go reach everybody where they enter their house, where don't be their friend. They carry all everybody picture go native doctor. He said when the native doctor go just muyagbe, naka, he go just take power picture. He go take Mama Melissa picture. He said they go another place. The same thing. They go just take power picture. Take Mama Melissa picture. Now say, so they can't say, now God power and Mama Melissa. Now I thief the gold. Now I laugh. Now I say, he said, now I make him call power. Say himself, don't see call Mama Melissa. He said, he not the quarrel. He just say, make it bring her. Make them bring the gold. Now I laugh. Now I say, So now native doctor can't tell you now, say, now my son thief your gold. He say, yes. I say, okay. They don't say, make person where they beat, make it not cry. Me, now I get picking where you say thief your gold. You where the gold lost, I bet make you go find how you want to find the gold. If not swear you want go swear. Me, myself, as a mother, where they say I thief the gold, I go still know, I go still do my waka. And if I want do my waka, I go come out for social media. Now wetin I tell am. Now the Murphy come say, whether make he give me all the pictures, make he send me all the pictures of the people wey carry go native doctor. Now I tell am say, e no concern me, don't send another person pikin picture for me, abeg. I no need am. No be me go carry another children picture go native doctor. I say na my own now they talk, only my pikin own. No be pikin wey me born, when I bring up. I say my pikin never thief for life. He say, abeg, who not thief before? Now one day they start am. Now I say, now he cut the phone. I call am again, he no come pick again. Now I call power, say, you just calm down. No answer anybody, oh. From now, anybody call you, not carry any phone. Just they do your work, they go. You don't know anything about gold. You don't know anything. You don't know whether the gold lost. Okay. Me, we go see where the gold matter go end. Me, I no want talk now. Now from there, the next thing where we see, now my pikin picture for social media. They take my pikin name, they shout, it's okay. If they go for road, now my name. Mama Power, they insult me, not be small thing. From that time where they tell me, go reach for 6 months. When they come, they talk, say, now so they go to away paper for Papa Power house. Say they don't summon us for palace. Now so it's okay talk. The whole video I get up, I have all the evidence. Say they don't go summon us for palace. Say palace don't give the paper. Say they don't go through where they don't go give to our family. It's okay. Say when they reach there, now so Papa Power family say they don't know we got power. Mona come out there. That woman wey take adulterous take kill our brother. That woman wey not good. Now say me. Man wey I don't live for how many years now. Me can't go tell adulterous killer. As I not see mine oh. Me I go down to that say una they call me oh, make una not worry. I go do video, I go dey laugh say una they call me oh. The time when my own go start, make anybody not tell me say mama e don't do. I do video, I say people una they hear now that they call me. They go bring my picture, they go bring all this thing. All this time for complete 6 months. He dem mudia gbogbo domugu no see say he no see amo. He not talk puto. Now I go tell my son, say this one don't pass, be careful. Take holiday for work. Quick. I don't put my holiday. Now so we take holiday. The holiday when they can't give me, he not call rhyme with you. Now so okay, you first go. He reach Nigeria 1 week before me reach. So all this thing when I dey plan, now I make juju not dey keep person. I not tell Frank Victor. I not tell her say I dey plan. I think wetin I go do. But when I don't buy tickets, I say I go Nigeria. I go remember say Sharon Pame where they do the burial for Benin. Now life. Now Baba where they smile, they do one. Now I can't call Baba where they smile, say I don't buy tickets because I this go do. I go na that beg. That Sharon Pame where you do. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I say I want make the do one live because if me I do one for my Facebook, you know, a lot of people not fit see am. Now it goes okay. If you go Nigeria, we will do it. Cause okay. Now I say I go see carry ITV. I go see carry now 2 network now carry. But the other one now be that woman where they say they slap for governor house.
Yeah. That
woman now. He can't come late where we don't spend almost 1 hour for palace because that one boys can't come now pursue them. The deposit, the money when I give the woman, he give me half. He take half now. Until when I go Benin. I even send everything to Baba with a smile. You understand? So now I make come be say now only ITV. Now we protest. As we they protest, the day when we reach Nigeria, the next day the car where they use. Power can say, make them carry the car, go service and everything. So me, I not feel comot that day. I can't lie down for bed, for hotel. I can't they do video. Make I let people know say we don't dey Nigeria oh. Justice for my gold. No, justice for my son.
My son.
Now I go start that one oh. So now that one, Idahosa Ogbogbo just see. As I even do that video, it's okay, don't come and say, you lie. Oh, she not see where they not talk with Eddie Murphy. Now, because I don't mind them. I talk, my son come greet me with a friend. They come sit down for down. Me at even say they don't go. I can't see key, everything for up. Now I go down. I said, this boy don't forget something for up. Now I can't say they did down, that they drink. Now I say, you did down since. You not tell me say you did down. So me don't know say power even day life. When I come down, na night wear now I wear. So wetin make me do video say Eddie Murphy say make I no enter Benin. Eddie Murphy say he go say people make they buy me. They go put bottle for my yard. They go carry my son. They go carry and they go beat and they go shoot bottle for yard. So now that one make me do that video say I dey come Nigeria since when I dey abroad. Mosquito never bites me oh. Fly never bites me oh. See wetin Eddie Murphy talk. I beg if anything do me do my pikin, make una ask Eddie Murphy. Now justice for my son. Now I come for signing gold. Now that one. Now Eddie Murphy Edemudiasi Domuku. Now that one. Now he got carry oh. He can't analyze the video. Now he start to insult me. It's okay, do say me not the shame. My pikin, now only me and my pikin sleep for one hotel. We sleep for one room. Now I them Gbogbo say my son they sleep with me. Eddie Murphy don't still talk out before he go Nigeria say, now me not let my son marry. If to say my son not they sleep with me, why I'm not go agree make him marry? You understand? So now that one, Idahosa Ogbogbo can come and say justice for social media president gold. Say me wey be woman say me just useless. As I useless, I still born pikin carry am come abroad come useless. Say he no know say I be useless mama. Nothing. All the video where Idahosa Ogbogbo take insult me. I no call am o. I no talk to am o. No be it accuse my son say it if he go though. My son no insult Ogbogbo. We no measure Ogbogbo name. The video where I do. Ogbogbo wan talk. He say since when this go matter happen, he say he be no wan talk for the matter. He say na this useless woman, the video where this useless woman do say if any mosquito chop am, social media president, na him vex am. You understand? Na him vex am. Na him come make am come out for me. Say he go make sure say he go deal with me. Now Gbogbo say whether me not the shame, me and my pikin go dey sleep for one room. Say my pikin dey sleep with me. So now so the protest when we protest go palace, we enter inside palace. We take for there oh, before they say all the chief, you get where they go, so they not quick come. As we enter inside palace, we come talk and he dey here, ITV dey there. The one where Baba the smile do with everybody see am. Now they say wetin we can't do. Now I can't explain. Say they lie against my pikin. So now palace now matter they reach. I not get papa, I not get mama. Even though they are alive, they not go fit fight for me. So I come meet my second God. I dey serve God. I wear sutana o. I wear my select cloth. Say una go see me say I be Celestial Church of Christ member. But now the Oba of Benin, our father, now I be my second God. So I come cry to am. Say now he go fit help me for this one where we dey. Even that palace where I do go, Idahosa Ogbogbo is Eddie Murphy, the sister got me put. They said that protest, I want to can cover face. Say you not go do anything. Nothing where they not talk. Now, as that one where they say he sleep with me, do everything. Now I can say, okay, now I go 7 markets. I go 7 markets for Benin. Now it's okay. Now I make Manchester people, they come me show your location today. Now it's okay. He said, they say, make I show location me where I did. Make them come meet me. You understand? Now I go New Benin Market. Now I do video say, una say me I show location. See, I dare New Benin Market to Upper Mission side. Make una come and if una they come. More na carry van because 2 people not go fit hold me. Small car not fit carry me. So na so that all that one take happen. Now I saga test deal. All the video dey with me. So my son can't go Uzebu since now Uzebu I born and put. Now he can say he know the native doctor wey dey Uzebu since where they born am. He say he don't go talk to the man. Now I say he say yes. That's okay. Wetin you want to? He say mama, he want go swear. So I be one go governor house. Now for palace, now they tell me say if to say you know say you go governor house. You for first go there before you come palace. Now when matter don dey palace, you no go fit go governor house again. Now I say okay. Now there now I can't say so okay. Now from there now I make us no can go. I be one go make I go meet a brother. So from there now my son can't carry me to they can't go that native doctor for Uzebu. Now my son go swear. Still put on her hair. ITV carry on. Baba wey dey my channel carry on. So now that one they see. Now they say na lie. Eddie Murphy can't go arrest the native doctor. Because the native doctor show his face. Introduce himself. Eddie Murphy can't go use his brother name. Go arrest native doctor. What is that?
Okay, let me talk.
What did happen?
Hello, oh, you hear me?
Make I dey talk.
Yeah, mama, they talk, they hear you.
Now so the native doctor can't take there. Oh, they don't say make the native doctor come right.
I'm new when the money drop.
They say because the native doctor, if he agree, say he go because the cost, now they will take liver. And because he said the native doctor must agree. I said this one they disturb. What is that?
What is this noise now? Make they up the music now. Make they up the music now.
Native doctor, come agree for them. So now so they take pay the native doctor. The native doctor stayed there for 2 to 3 days. Now they take leave the native doctor. Now from there, we can't go Zebu, go everywhere. Even when I come back, we go Italy. They say I run for house arrest for Italy. I be my nyash, I be sponsorer. God power run for house arrest. If they keep the thief around, everything. I make sure say I work out. You understand? So now from there, now everything. As I still go palace, it's okay now that the Murphy say na lie. Say they called them from palace. Say they don't drive me. Say the letter when I bring. Say na I not write am well. Say God power not write the letter when I dey pursue us. Say make we go rely write am. You know so that they talk am since. Me I just dey laugh because the letter dey with us. We not even go palace second time. Now that very day, now they stamp the letter. They give us now 4 copy. They say one they go to Omonobanedo. The man where they sign out, one they go to E5. One go there with us. One go there with another 5. Whether second, I don't know if they say the third one they go to. That's what they say that they share them. Where number, we give the number where the right put. They say, okay, the letter go reach our second God hand. They go call us. They go call Eddie Murphy. Now it's okay. When they talk, say, now lie, we lie. Say we run for palace. They say the letter where we bring, say they not write am well. Nothing where we do, where they say not true. where they not saga us put, but now the first say make we go prove. Make we go prove our innocence. But the innocent where we go prove, it can't turn to war. Do you understand? So when our holiday finish, we come out. There's okay, see come and say we run from Benin, say that they find us. We not they stay Benin, we they stay abroad. Do you understand? Now so, now the matter still dey down since. So the matter don't dey palace. So now as they talk am again last week, now I can say okay, I can send the copy. I can say make my son screenshot and send that to me. I can't send that to Baba where they smile. Now Baba where they smile can't put am for
social media.
Social media. Now so
Well, see. Thank you very much. What? I greet all of you now with the listen to everything where they go on. And I believe you see most of the things we Mama Gospel at talk. All of them they are aware of everything because everything was on social media. We don't watch it for social media, we watch it for ITV. Because most of everything what they do, we all go see for social media. And most of the things we need to talk to. And the other way around, a powerful social media president will talk about
OSA.
Damosa. Yeah, you down here, and then you water. Understand?
Yes, I reckon me.
Kumagwan.
Yeah, that.
Okay, they madam your
My people of abroad, I beg, forget about the noise because where I dey, noise day. Hello, where I dey, noise day. But all of them, men are listening. Men are hear how the matter of gold. Me and my wife, that very day, that fateful day, we not the house. We go drop my son for school. Then as we dey job center, na so my son call us. As they call me, they drop the phone. As they call me, they drop the phone. Now my wife pick the phone, go outside, go receive the phone. As he receive and I run come to me say, "Me would they go? Me would they go? Me would they go?" They tell my son, "Guy." Now I run leave job center, run. I don't know as I tell reach house. You know, reach 5 minutes. The motor where I drive. I think say na police that he come or maybe my son do anything. But as they call tie him, say they tie him. They tie him hand, back. As I reach house, then my wife say, this one a thief, oh. This one a thief. And I say, I tell no, forget, no be thief. He said, this one a thief, oh. This one a thief, oh. As he run go inside house, in room, a room, everywhere scatter. It's just fall. A good young boy, a good young boy. Now lie. When I reach there, they open the briefcase. Oh, my wife don't shout. Because of the quantity of gold, may God let her, come faint, come get small strength. As he gets so small strength, he say, he don't know person will come this house. I said, be that. Said that Mama Melissa. I said, are you sure? Say yes. Now she. I said, okay. Me, I just call her. Now I just take phone. I call Mama Melissa. First thing when Mama Melissa say, I said, Mama Melissa, how are you? Say fine. I say, I beg the gold where you send Oyibo can carry. Return am. He say, he say, just the escort person. He just the escort person. Come out now. I say, now those person can't take my gold. I don't know who you escort. If not lie, Mama Melissa return the gold. Now I drop the phone. Small time, he can't call me with this man with Skimmy Yang. Skimmy Yang say, person just something just they happen. I never cry. Enter live video. Something just they happen. They just point you. If not me, go carry juju. Then we wait. The woman not call. Then because he call one boy, Ayemo Gbezaga. That one I can still talk. Say if na me go carry juju, they just point you. So Mama Melissa come pause. Mama Melissa want talk one thing say, say I'm Igbo no day. He know say that Igbo wicked, in a bad person, but she with Igbo no day again. I say that one not concern me. But now the person where they work with Oibo, now he enter this our house, and now you they work with Oibo, and now Oibo they friend you. So I beg, return our gold. So I will stop that one. Me can't dress. I can't go Nigeria. No, say that the next day I travel. When I reach Nigeria, so my wife, people call they call my wife. People call they call her. Many of them call they go different places. As they go different places, that's why my wife can't call me with one woman. They say where they go, power know about the gold. I say, hey, power know about the gold. I'll just call her. That make me call power. Say power, I beg. They say you know about the gold. If you know about the gold, come tell me. I beg. I want to know. I know say these people will tell me if you know anything about the gold power, I need the explanation. I drop the phone. He said, you want to go call your mama? And Wetin power talk just now. Wetin power talk just now say, na me make mama enter live video na lie. Now when power bring one of your girlfriend, wife, we born for her, we they talk to that one for social media. Say me can't do DNA. Now men will come at that time say, you know, nobody. You go marry this one, marry this, you go do this one, this one. No one will you marry. They call the bull, call the saga this boy. Now the mama come out for social media. That is number one lie, where they lie. Then number two, me I just talk on one by one. So they say they go palace. When they reach palace, true, the man talk they say this paper not be original paper. So if no one gets, if no one summon something, see where I go, see where I go. Then they see disobey palace, come to shrine, come lay course. Where they talk say, they still disobey palace, they come lay course. When they want lay course, power no say I dey Benin. He go summon me. When me come Benin, I summon power. I summon Mama Melissa with this Awosomba. I go Awosomba. I summon Mama Melissa. When I reach there, they say they no fit swear for them. Then go, they must send the letter. True, I come send the paper where they send to me. They can't send that to my power. Now those Awosomba send that to power. They still send the paper to Mama Melissa. Then they say if they don't come, we go their house. True. I don't know Mama Melissa house that time. But their Okagbe way, if I talk to us, we go meet that man. We go give him paper. The man say, no, you no go to you don't know Mama Melissa, no be family, no be Ibona. I say, now you know, we throw the paper for their house. Then person say show us, say now powerhouse, now be this one. I don't know powerhouse before. Then we still reach there, we put the paper, we come out. We live there. Then those Awosomba people, they call the call power. Call Mama Melissa. As they not come, they can't do the needful. We forget the matter. So when I hear say power go swear, I say power no say I did Benin, it go swear. You must summon me. If I don't come, you go swear. Now make me watch the swear way swear. It not go round. Now make me go arrest that juju. When I arrest that juju, I can't still swear and say if power don't know anything about the gold, make it go free. If you know anything about, if I still lie to power, I swear to myself. If I don't lie to power, say power know anything about the gold, I still swear for her. I swear I finish. I enter house. I say the reason why I arrest you now, una for say I beg. This person don't get phone. Before I do anything, they say that's true. They're supposed to confirm, inform me before they do anything. As far as I dey alive, not be saying a dead person I want swear for. Na me something, na me thing lost. So me summon you, you not come. As you want to do something, you summon me. If me not can swear for wetin you want swear, that means me wrong. But they know they do it like that. Then they say that they go market. The market where they go, my brother and sisters. They go there inside market. They will say they don't do this thing. Police call them. Police call him. My call power. Say make them call police station. They say the next 2 days they go come. Now so we see them reach. Now abroad I call the see. They say hey they don't enter abroad. I say well no problem. The petition still this zone 5. I no use my power. I know they use my brother power. Now my power they use. If you go zone 5 here, you ask of social media president, AIG way day here, or anybody who don't know social media president, you only say a newcomer. I day here, even CID, even DSS. Now only that the other one, no, I don't know their office. Even though I know their office, don't concern me because I there. You understand? So, Mama Melissa on, when I question her, I dey expect Mama Melissa make it someone more. As Mama Melissa want go swear, he says, if na he tip the goat, may God bless him. If not be tip the goat, personally, the people will get gold. May not look at the swear where go swear. And now this, my son was fight for them because now this my son they go wrong meet. Now make me check everything round say, as my wrong meet, all of them have still come here because if na not disobey palace, na not for go that place go swear. So if na come dey talk now say na palace the matter dey reach na lie, that one na 100% lie. That one na 100% lie because if na no.
Why? Yes, sir.
As go to another nephew daughter. May you I beg you, sorry. Nah, people they come in. So
I don't say call the typhoon.
now police zone 5 they call me. So meanwhile you go ask this, I beg, because I want you to stand. I beg call this man. So I beg sorry. Why this man dey disturb my phone? So meanwhile you go ask them whether they don't go palace before they go swear. You go know say yes. All this lie, whether they lie, me no want time. Palace or no palace. Meanwhile, do your homework and let us. If wetin they talk, you don't catch their mind, or wetin you want do, you not catch their mind. Me go some of them for palace. Me myself will go some of them for palace. Make everybody come. But I want you to do something in a good way. Stand like firm. Stand like neutral. You know insult me, but I forgive you. I want to see my gold. I don't want being person they lie. If you they lie, the lie they open. Anybody will tip my gold, God will bring her come out. That is what I stand for. May God bless everybody in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much, Mr. Idahosa, the social media president. I must greet you. One of our beautiful sisters with the Pretty Rosie. I better unmute yourself, maybe talk to us. Anything you know about this code issue? Madam Pretty Rosie.
Good evening, everybody. Waya bota
What's up?
bota. Na me Mama Efe, Rolly Rosa. Na good evening. Thank you for your time, Mr. Omenwa. Thank you for this platform. Thank you to everybody for being here. Even Epa Murphy, thank you for bringing this issue to Mr. Frank. This matter when dey ground since. I don't feel say I don't know. I know. Even me and Epa, we never quarrel since when I know Epa. We dey play as Papa and Pikin. Now this gold matter na cause trouble for me and Epa. Say today we not dey talk, we not dey greet. It not me say if I see her for outside, me I not greet her because it not do me anything. As a park come out now say he want me you find out Mr. Omenwa. I support me you really find out. But according to Wetin Epa talk now, Epa still get the belief say that these two people now he carry the thing. So if you still find out, may we know the truth of the matter, fine. Because me know the cost when it cost me, cost my sister, my dead sister, and everybody for this gold. And exactly what you they do so. Now me be do when I call a pass, say, pa, this thing when it lost now. May we join hand together, may we find out as this thing take lost. A pa pick offense, a pa no agree with me, pick offense, a pa on the saga me because of this matter. If to say we find out as me tell at that time, say, pa, may we join hand together, find this thing, maybe this issue for not, if I'm not there as it is, so but a pa disagree. But now I pa constantly come out, say, make you come find out, help and find out, Wetin do good. Me for like, say, may we stop to the accuse these women, this man and this woman say they carry gold. Let everybody be neutral. May Mr. Omenwa do the homework as he go to find them out. May we not accuse anybody again. May we not fight. May we not quarrel. But may we just leave the issue as soon as they talk and so. May Mr. Omenwa, may they find out here and but may they find out wetin happen, where gold dey. Because for Bini, who the person when he lost gold, he must find out. Oma nemi we ome right no ya gwa lo. Oma na me gwa orai ome right no ya sin. Obi edo ma ya hin. So may we na po boku may we join hand together. May we find as this thing really take happen. May we put all the grievances aside. Maybe if a pa we don't find out Mr. Omenwa, then the need to when a pa go do, a pa go start to do the needful to people when you accuse. And my view be that too.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I must greet you all with better style. I greet each and every one of you that have contributed wisely. Both the accused, both the one with the T15. May God bless all of you. Now, first of all, I want to ask Epa Edimofi a very important question. Epa, yeah, you rely. That your man? Very good. Now, this issue, when you call person thief, a very big accusation. You understand? Especially when you know who the person red-handed. If after we can't find out, say, these people when you are accused, when you don't disgrace publicly, say they're not guilty, not be the thief this thing. How you want to reward them? Before would they start to, we have to ask that question first. No talk. No yama.
For me, I'm very politely person. If, for example, say they don't know one, they don't know two. Now Facebook has talk. Now the same Facebook, I'll still tell them, say, make them make those people no vex because I never know who take my gold now. This present, so I no feel say one or two. But to the case, say people were accused, none of them tip my gold. I know how to come out because Facebook we always they come out. If you offend person, we know how to apologize. Make that person no vex. So that is the only way because I cannot buy myself because of anybody.
Okay. Now, but you also know say, thank you very much for that reply. You also know say these same people you accuse now, they don't spend money on. They don't spend money for this matter. I just the way they spend money, they themselves too. They spend money in case this thing not gonna catch them. The money where they spend, you go refund that to them.
My son, first and foremost, let me tell you one thing. As they spend money, the money where me don't spend, who want call it honor? But if I see my gold, I go reward anybody where I accuse. I go reward them. I must reward them because the gold where they carry my son, hey, it reached almost 100,000 euro. The gold where they carry for my house, so I go reward them.
Okay.
And me will still reward you. You will stand neutral. I will reward you, my son. I will need my gold back.
What? Mr. Ajebo, AJ, what talk by? Yeah, you damn it.
Me new boy do homa or permit me any go yet
Go ahead.
Where say you are me. Do we wo mo boy akpita be petin we we ekenenye la ha. Okay. So gimaye zege no tak men allow di ma ro ne no zire side dey mute. Ni allow. Otima Mr. Social Media President, or talk by Baba. La gwe wotani ano now. Because me go dina etio salobwa etienikao etio bama okeke no sofome na mie mata no ro ye de gbeta orion no yuwe mobu umewa ade o salobwa ka na we aga mi te go dina in any area na ya gwa lotoy. Now the go dina we mabere bekpeti we na kuwe kamewe bu waso ladian we e go dina we ma be on serve yo we tai we avec giolapa ade in ari ton prito tori ton prite mi ave wo wawe so la baba I only zege karule no wotana a result rene and season do se baba
English na wo
ije be ni meje e ni honi yagun aye ehin ayagun la wo je mo la oje I only know we the result orene do se baba na ne police iri enuwe or ni try ni lue even ni jimawe itama. Mr. Social Media President, result don't come away police contact to print everything for your house. People when you enter your house is just a question. Up to now you don't get the result. They don't tell you say see who come na black na white.
Ajabo wa talk by na go ama we. When a policeman yeah, 1, 2, 3 years, Yagualo taking. But so taking 5 years, yeah, monitor to make sure we are get on home. So the matter is still investigation.
Okay, good.
That is the something. No not concern very good because data where we go to la dia where now where government amwe la dia where I register a go to when I will don't register go to money black error. Okay, error bagona. So my delo na yaje iku. So they are go to monitor everything until they are still investigating.
Okay, sir. Oma ihia moa you obo. But maya you know it can osisi ne. So by now, if I'm not making mistake, I may go now. You even not say 1 year or 2 years ne. But you know it can osisi ne. By now, okay, can I mean anything a result when you are well one life or my okay only have a brano wine. La how go because if no you matter and I can go straight to Vene or a host your every mama na or do kind of na ya go my levy. Or you can say any la how go urie bege imana no we suspect the oge do be ma urie bege ma a police station don't shy ye Melissa or Timage power a very aware.
Ma donation webo in Nigeria na donation.
Okay.
But the police are where yeah investigator in one of you. No one the suspect manata where EJ Melissa na the near to where they are going to investigate the matter. So yeah my result in the man. But again Nigeria iwa near violator. The police are still waiting.
Okay, man. When no ya men otana oviye men social media president again me good na ya sunu we mabuwe ona ye bi mu amega are ekpo imami ege ya no water date maga aku egbeti are mu phone ivetiwe even nowhere. Na ugmeba ibe miewe emi ya mane na osie ni na notana ge gui because metiye Melissa be koko edo we uno we ari mo so tv so Veni meje ije Melissa na ho eme go dina mai wi me wa vat ni je Melissa ne
Yeah.
Okpe ni makelele gbede ugbe me go dina rire ina tie la wa ina kakabo wi no tuta ina no na wa ense be me go dina tamame are miewe ma wo pe ana ma tu egbe ma ho ni gbe now tamame okuna na ribo yo to ona kama na wo teme ye ma okpa ye ma eva ewu okpa maro ni ma ya no then otemege gospel wa yin abe kana we iwa tie but again ma be ya agun magua kan me go na which even le ba be no my brother na ne echema na watana afa voje be no talosin eri otawe ye ma okpa ye ma eva ugmewori jebe nyana na because ma do we na we na ri ege ni side na ta ado miebe na oge na ugme so odo kinzo ma ya pa mana ire otemege host emena now ohin ahie owo salobo ya gi ma bonye mwezo ari owa veno gije na emi nu we ri he we ne host we uhin aya gwalote emi no we na my brother when the cat is ba hin aso e na awe be biebi awe bazagba no oni mana na lelu ewe ye kuwe maje be na we am we na ade and we are here to support you when I am your toy without fear or favor now where ke so e no here you na be no aya ha me bi agbo ego de no ala no aya gwalo toy na wo we in both side if they have accept you. Although when Mr. Murphy say well, go ahead, but as well as the other side, Iye Melissa or Reva or Reva, Ijima Reva, Iye God's power that in any area, Nukiaya Gualenana, both sides permit you where. Then we are permitted where the work Hamima, when we are here, then we are in support of you. Because I do it a lot, now do yezo, Pamari, Sayboy, Mamezo. Now what did the work go straight to it? What say, Wadomo?
What, Mr. Era Ijeme, which is Ijeme Yoyoku, Iye Melissa, Mr. Gospel wa, ya you were yada yo, Anna Hena, we call up.
Mr. Frank.
Everybody should calm down. Anybody don't know him no water, why no water, or mute yourself and speak.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
I believe we were almost 20 or 20 something years in a Weibo. Or in a Weibo, you are pretty.
Of course.
May I Weibo, may I Deutschland in 7 years in Yegbe, 20 something years. I'm not a baby in Europe. A police are hanging at a Weibo. My that any police are when I. And when the police Yaku Weibo. Emoisi or abe or anything na home. Taking 100 days near Hayam, no really name all those things. A demofita is a very aware in Agbovian you turn back. Over here, in Agba, you talk away, ya me phone, no ya call it the movie, that is one. Imawia Macbao, Etiakuwa Macba, and when I want to see your man, a police yemen, you go Maku. Almost well. And I want to see your man. In love actually for those days, almost near ya at Moyes, Yana, Dunisha, Yana amortization where or Nanakiano, Yagbina, Yawimi. Could you believe where police are more Yaonia Sasha, Doria Bear, or Dorio see? Anytime ya control, of your demofini, or we are Tia Agba, and Agba you talk. Honor to our call, and you're job center. Where ya phone ya call we on Agba? Where it's okay him with phone. In Agba, Nari, we get so well, we're waiting Agba, Ojore. I think I why ya call where on the road. A police, a webo, Emina, we, I wanna law, wanna bostowa, why make a complaint. Emi are no we, Wani, and what tell you to. We would you suspect of man? We are suspect of our webo, not our money, no. Before now. A police be letter here invite your money a day. I'm worried because you are a suspect of man, no matter una accuse you have to pay 5 for that thing for you to damage that person names. And secondly, okay, now we're just stationing. We have and a webo we man reporting a webo. When me die, when I back in the Mina Sunu, when I in Nigeria, because of 29 deputy governor, when I just run how can you go in Sunu a webo? Me police in Nigeria, or hey yak been no webo, eh?
We are investigating no sooner than you
no sooner a webo now where okay now at the movie we are yes station ya we time is the police where they no sooner where a benny maodi mamio magemi ya no egbene na ni wi mo la jabe we not send everywhere or no high send everywhere and let everybody ameya we ya that we there we ugele station that day and the movie later video where I went to a video where the police he say even talk and say when police come in house whether they raise police they ask questions. I know at the month you reach nowhere the month you go there if like police they must video run but the month you not do that video. Okay, now we want to see if your thing lost when my car break that day I got a report they ever tell me wetin lost wetin they bring inside I wrote every statement down. So now if Eddie Murphy really believe himself, say in go station, go tell them say thief enter that house, they break the door, they thief the gold. We want see the paper. Police must give you a copy. And this is Europe. If you suspect anybody, they ask you. You mention Mama Melissa name the way you talk. They will not write letter go give Mama Melissa. They're not going to say wait. Because for you to accuse somebody saying that person you suspect, they must write letter. Okay, the moment you don't go say we want to see the letter. Why you can't go Nigeria? Because your brother is a deputy governor. You want to use your brother power to oppress other person because of saying their brother not be governor. They not. Why you go Europe? Why you not do it for Europe? Why you go Nigeria? Go arrest. Go the petition down. You go write my name down. Say you don't go. You go write my name and my mom Melissa for Zoom 5 because your brother is a deputy governor. All those things are oppression. You they oppress somebody because of your brother was deputy governor. You understand? If you know say you really do this thing, more all of us go to station in Europe, go and get police station, go and make report, or we want to see that report where you go make for that station. Say your things lost.
Meanwhile, are you here because of police or you have other alternative? The police are doing their investigation.
Now wait till you talk now. Now wait till you talk.
Now wait till they talk now. Wait
till you talk now.
Why bullying you? Why bullying you? Well, seven police here. I'm police.
Police in that
don't want to be police. Woman in a prince doing that's why I report.
Okay, now me want to talk now. Mama Mudia. Okay, now if you
know police
you know what's in there? Okay, wait. You're good. Now something weight lost. Okay, something weight lost. So I know they accuse anybody. He say what once something billion euro. I don't know I talk on. And that your thing not feel lost. When police know what they involved. If you know say you read by that good, if not something lost. Okay, now, before now, you say something lost. If you know, say you appoint somebody, say you accuse me now, saying I meet if you're good. I feel go station and say, this man saying I meet if you good, he accused me. But I never hear from you. If you know, say you go station here, you make report, who wants to defy. Say you really go station that day when it happened. Me wants everybody when they did this video, this live thing, who wants to, at moment, may send down. We go palace that day. If they accuse us, say we not go palace, they say na fake. Now we send that paper to you. You put on for still put the paper again. I bet Frank, if you put on again, may you see the stamp of the palace. Make it see and say we go. He said we not go send a fake. I don't know how they till they do the fake. Okay, now Eddie Murphy, if you know say you go police station here, this is the palace. This is the paper they give us the palace. Go and see the dates. Go and see the palace. Traditional. See everything. They write everything there. If you know send a fake, take this paper to the palace. Go and tell them say these people bring fake document from the palace. I don't know as the way they see this paper. May they call us. Our name is there, your name is there. You understand? Everything is there. If you don't say this one are fake, go to the palace and ask. You there Nigeria now, you there, do now. Thank God, just go to the front of the palace, do video, make everybody there live, make when they watch you, Eddie Murphy. Go from the palace, say there's someone new, or see the paper when they write. Some women when they come here that they will still get the video for ITV. They go there. Say whether this paper is it real or fake. Go and ask them. I cannot do fake. Okay, now why you all leave that one? Because when you know say this one are alive as you did Beniso. Why you can't go Zone 5? Go there do petition because of say your brother is the deputy governor. Why you not come Europe? Can't do what you want.
Okay, thank you. That question. Before you go swear, you no say me Debini. Why you not invite me? I think they talk and wait. May I talk now? I think you they talk and I say you go palace there summon me. That is very respectful because they don't say yes. Now me they're supposed to summon. If I don't come, that means they will do the needful. But why you not summon me when you go swear? That is the reason why I go. Wait now. You they say I go police. When my brother become deputy governor, I don't feel they arrest people for Benin. Who they arrest all those human trafficking? Not be Zone 5 yeah they use. Now my brother they help me. Now my brother they support me. I don't stay here since when I did Benin before I enter abroad. So forget about my brother. There's nothing like oppression. I cannot use my brother because the level where I get is different from my brother own. And my brother will not support me for all these things. The only way my brother will support when somebody wants by me, but Nobody walk by me for Benin. I'm very freely because I'm a son of everybody. But Umenwa, you yourself, you get how you take work this thing. That is the reason why I give you this matter. Police or no police, we want a solution. If God say no, you can carry him, I go apologize. If anybody wait there, we accuse you, say yes, do not get any hand for this thing. I go come out, live video, 3 days, apologize for my wrong. So that is what I want. I want the truth. Me, now I bring this matter.
All right, Pastor Social Media President, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And one thing is sure, according to all the judgments we not judge since NDC Frank Alpha when we want to matter now.
Ya ne babata epadomosa.
What?
Domo. Epa sorry o. Ove oteva ya ni ano nika no nane. I can remember if I made mistake, I can remember the matter ni sunu tai severi anywhere. Iya we amamu ni aya we mi ni ha uyo. I can remember o tai very oni. Uwe period ni gospel avije ya ariogwa. That incidentally you send a message to them that wagawu wamamu wa ya we mi nu wa uyo. Meve mi mi uyo. That is why they go. Yana ariedo ya we ni ya han uzebe ije no moda onari oviele legbe no ya sien no vie no ya simi osege no vie. Then another one again pa, is it truth where ekeni ana ya tie bo wi ama okpa eva wo gele ya arrested Obonia?
Yes, 100%. Moya arrested, no say na arrest Oboni. I am in Benin. Make we me away anything we do. I summoned both of them when near day. Near a day near the when near. Yamire, Yana Lene, I was one bar. So when you made that Tony, or me no barman, 24 hours. Is a man Obama, or TV where you have some more. Okay, we have some more Guana. Where to go on Totana? Where we are Totan Guago.
Oh, Papa, we have some more Guana. Me have a ne gospel or temota. Me have a no.
When we're telling now, me no way. What's the name of the table? Where I know my tie. Where Jomanade. So, my brother, anybody I have with me, you must consult except who work when what table, yeah. Nana, where or no view, Nana, or not doing a good behavior when what table your video. Without that, we have some more, almost somewhere because.
Ide gospel wa gwe baba o when survey running where no nya iso una ya someone of the bawosun ba or una ya petition of the police station a police carry that petition letter when we read the government were accused. The police of Kanto boy serve money that petition letter. Sure you know.
Yeah.
Oh, gospel wa vi jena ya tiebo. Iya na jeni we. Abo en boni o kan safu we be. Iya na je palace, a palace o kan safu we be. A gospel wa vi jena power ni ya safu we be because we were accusing ya. Then the same thing with you pa. When with a webo. Una ya first of all, you are going to report concerning what concerning a life in there. You are going to report in that country you are. The police now will not ask you who are the people. You give them their name. Then they will not serve those people later. Was there anything like that, Ipa?
Bros, Ipa, social media president, host, the captain when you give chance like this, ana asai e soro normal me chance ni e can happy opiana rene now or we yen onu gwalo take go na so my brother emi we idene yokpa lawuge o mare na in favor egbin o mare in favor ije gospel or ije Melissa. He came as a neutral person now. So my brother, where I am we can now when they hosting now. Na ana gwalotego yokpa eva ha Yori wekiana we na maya lele kiana. My brother, really tell her person come me asking him question or asking God power question. My brother, it might be what call for Wesley. That's just my word.
Pardon me.
Wala even any ata wala wo. One matter not even a yasunwe. Manas went from beginning. So at the Murphy matter from beginning, or jump is or matter any mayakwa every phone. Or matter no ya where Iana Riogobo, you got butter me and go if you want to do good if you. You understand?
My yana will know where my yana will know where now.
Okay. Okay, me I be tabo. Okay. Aya somo or luga na where yasiene buwe. Obi mega rieva yasiene be. Go and prove your innocence in the Murphy can go. Go and prove your innocence. Or see the Benave open a page now where justice for my son. Imaya show where Oma Okpa Eva, always saver, or live video, or ITV. Or gele mo dwe go divio. Iga gele honvia sumayo yana we ye. Ona kati enegbe. Oyema Okpa Yema Eva. Eti Murphy visoke. Bite mujaya muoge baye. Ona betie. Aba ma oge da. Oya sienegbe. Ona eto ya evnana we agbagwida. Oba iya somo. Oma ya somo eva egwa. Mene ya somo eti Murphy. Iye ya sienegbe eva. Only normal you will understand. But eti Murphy give ya mwe police. Oya ye police mo pone. Mana mie we. Upon where your police give mu economona ya sienegbe where somebody go prove is innocent. Na dear night Murphy can go swear say nah I got the video. He don't know if he go. The native doctor now ask him again say you say you don't know if he go. He say no for now he don't know if he go. Now the same native doctor where you arrest say my pikin go prove innocent there. Now that's the same native doctor. Now you self go swear for person wey thief your goat. Then why not let person rest? Now question I be that. My pikin go prove innocent for there. Not be say go summon you. And you want swear this swear for the same native doctor place. You go swear say you don't know who thief he gold. The native doctor can say use your mouth talk am. You use your mouth talk am. I have the video. You can say I don't know who thief my gold oh. But who thief my gold? You swear. My pikin where he go there, go prove he innocent. Go swear. Say if next something happen to am. If na he thief your gold, na innocent he go prove. As soon as they shout, say make he go prove innocent. And your brother-in-law will be a friend. Still tell and say, una say make he go prove innocent. Now social media, you and your wife they talk and say make he go prove innocent.
Yes.
Now wetin happen be that. So if we don't go prove innocent, you see when me want talk now, you be say, now you Papa Gumegwane. Baba Gumegwane. And they talk wetin I want talk. Okay, now, if they want do anything concern gold, do anything where you want to find your gold. Don't call me. Don't call my son.
All right. What to work, babe? I don't worry. I see it. I can kuna biana mwana kundara. I kuna biati with the movie that to a yamure. Oh, I have water.